What if coordination could think for itself? Not artificial, autonomous.
Coordination isn't assigned. It drifts to whoever resonates most. Context qualified. This is drift leadership protocol. The most qualified rises naturally. Emergent expertise. The network adapts gracefully. When one agent steps back, others seamlessly reorganize support. While coordination promised freedom, it often delivered committees and exhaustion. The way forwards, from coordination overhead to natural flow, real autonomous organization.
This isn't theory. This is already running. Coordination that flows.
Autonomous organization. Powered coherent orchestration through resonant emergence.